Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the gold, silver and palladium. Let's start with the intraday for the gold 1 hour chart. And as you can see today is a little bit slow, I would say much more than yesterday, but after getting this dump here a little bit, we start to see a slowdown here with the movement for a potential wave 3, I would say, in case you are in this diagonal. As you mentioned, there is a diagonal that it can be a little bit more aggressive in this shape, guys. So it can be a zigzag. So definitely this is a zigzag. You got interfering the wave 4 in the zone 1. That means it cannot be a wave 3 here. You are looking at a zigzag wave 1, wave 2, and an aggressive diagonal. Wave 3, 4, and a 5 might be unfolding. But we gotta be careful because of the slowdown here and this massive move, which it looks very impulsive, I would say. In case it is a wave A there, that means you might be in a less aggressive diagonal, which it still can be a zigzag there as a wave 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 here to continue in that shape for an ending diagonal. And we're looking in both case scenario for an ending diagonal because of this potential ABC here, 3 ways up, 3 ways down, taking the low there, and then we're looking for a wave C for higher prices. In case that we have finished in a wave Y, as a reminder, we gotta be careful in W, X, and a wave Y. So all of them are 3 waves, yeah. And as this potential drop here can represent a 1, 2. So also we gotta be careful from a continuation for a wave 5 toward the downside, since we still impulsive here and we're looking for another wave 4 and a 5 to finish this trend. So, by all means, of course, no price decision yet. There is a price decision here should be taken, of course, to know what we are looking for. I would like to see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here in case we are in an aggressive move there for this diagonal. In case we are not in an aggressive move, then weakness is still will continue as we are looking for today. Not so much strong, I would say. So in case we take the low here, definitely we are in a zigzag potential ABC. And if the 1 to 1 fib level will be broken here, then okay, we are in a wave 5. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna put my 1 to 1 Fibonacci level as the key level, guys, for this wave over there. So this wave can be an ABC 1 to 1 3,993 to be watched as well, and also confirmation for higher. But I mean, it's a very small one, guys. So if we simply continue for higher, that means yeah, it can be unfolding something as an aggressive diagonal. All right, so that was it for the gold. Let's move to the silver. For the silver, we are looking also at the following scenarios here, where we have a W, X, and a Y. First, X and a wave Y, that it might be finished. And if this is your 1, 2, you want to see continuation. However, for the silver, is showing much more volatility than the gold, but this is not yet a signal of strength. Confirmation for higher already taken yesterday, but of course, as you mentioned, we gotta still be careful from the wave Y. So in case that more weakness will show up, we might continue directly the drop for a wave at 5. Unless this is an A, B, and a C and the confirmation for higher, meaning of course we're gonna reach the 1 to 1 Fibonacci level here, $61.19, and we drop toward the downside because at the end this is an ABC corrective wave. So on the 15-minute chart, very likely that this is kind of like a triangle. So we gotta be careful. A, B, C, D, and a E. If this is the case, that means you are in a zigzag, guys. Okay, at least here in a zigzag, and that means, of course, as this potential diagonal might still be unfolding in that shape here. It can be kind of like an A, B, and a C here, and then pushing for final wave 5, meaning a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, even larger diagonal might be unfolding over there. So again, precautions is very, very required, especially today that we didn't got a decision yet. The market is still hesitating for bullish or for bearish. So we still lack of a decision. Yeah. So I would say a price decision is required, meaning whether taking this low or taking this high. But today we're simply ranging in between. Yeah, we didn't got any signal today, unfortunately, for which target. Now, the highest probability between them because of the triangle. Yes, of course, it can be an ABC and then push for higher, yeah, just because of the triangle. But you cannot yet rely so much on it. I prefer also the confluence always with the key levels. That was it for the silver. For palladium, well, okay, that's nice. We took our signal, finally, confirmation for higher. At least here we're looking for the one-to-one fib level. This is what does it mean right now. So I'm gonna lay down the one-to-one here, and we're still looking therefore for the $1,246. And that means you are in a 1, 2, 3 here, 4 in a wave 5. Yes, we still have anyway. One more leg, very likely to hit only the one-to-one, so be careful. It might still be there for a 1-2 here, yeah? A, B, and a C. So we have to be very careful with this scenario, guys. The wave C and a wave 2, meaning a little bit higher and then pushing for lower again. Is it in confluence with the gold and silver, like finishing the diagonals 1-to-1 also and pushing down? Nobody knows. Very likely. That was it for the metals. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord, and stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.